With the availability of integrated development environments like Eclipse, Visual Studio or Intellij, supporting features such as syntax highlighting, syntax checking and autocompletion have become an integral part of everyday programming. Unfortunately, these features are still not available for some languages, such as the G-code-based NC language from Siemens, which is used to control the access of CNC machines. To change that, I started developing the Lens extension for Visual Studio Code. It includes semantic syntax highlighting that visually distinguishes different types of symbols, a hover feature that displays the definition of the currently hovered symbol, a go-to-definition feature that lets you jump to the definition even across files, and diagnostics that show potential problems in the code. There are many ideas on how to further improve the support for NC developers, which I would like to look into in the future and continue the development on a regular basis.